Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine with good health. I am Miss Maria Faruqi. Today I am going to deliver you lecture 3 of social studies. Open your book at page 84. We will start lesson 14, religion. Before we start, let's recall our previous knowledge. You have learned we all pray to God to make us better people and to thank Him for all that He has given us. Muslims follow the religion called Islam. Muslims go to mosque to pray. Christians go to church to pray. The Bible is the holy book of Christians. We should respect all religions. Students, do you remember these signs? You will learn in this lesson what religion means too, different beliefs, who are prophets, about holy books, holy places, comparison of different religions. Religion is a strong belief in a supernatural power or powers that control human destiny. Religion teaches you a set of practices to live by, such as being kind to others, telling truth, or praying. Many religions have different traditions like attending church or temple, celebrating religious holidays, or wearing specific clothes. Muslims worship one God, who in Arabic is known as Allah. Followers of Islam aim to live a life of complete submission to Allah. They believe that nothing can happen without Allah's permission. Hinduism is one of the oldest religions of the world. Hindus have many idols because they worship God in many forms. Followers of Hinduism are called Hindus. The followers of Christianity are called Christians. Sikh follow Sikhism. The followers of Buddhism are called Buddhist. Another oldest religion is Judaism. Its believers are called Jews. Jews को यहूदी कहते हैं. Zoroastrianism. इस रिलीजन के मानने वालों को पारसी कहा जाता है. ये मजहब 4000 साल पहले पर्शिया में था. पर्शिया जिसे आजकल ईरान कहा जाता है. और इस रिलीजन को मानने वाले आग को अपना खुदा मानते हैं और आग की इबादत करते हैं. Religions were spread by people called prophets who had been chosen by Allah. Many people listened to the prophets and followed their teachings. According to Islam, there are 1,24,000 prophets who were sent by Allah to different parts of the world for guidance of mankind before He sent His last and final messenger, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Other religions have their own prophets. Judaism was preached by Moses, जिन्हें हज़रत मूसा अलैहिस्सलाम कहा जाता है. कुरान पाक में इनका जिक्र बहुत बार आया है. इन्हें कलीमुल्लाह भी कहते हैं. Christianity is based on the teaching of Jesus Christ, यानी हज़रत ईसा अलैहिस्सलाम. इनको मानने वाले ईसाई कहलाते हैं और क्रिश्चियनिटी को ईसाईयत कहा जाता है. Parsis follow the teachings of Zoroaster. Krishna is the prophet of Hindus. Sikh follows the teachings of Guru Nanak. Buddhists follow the teaching of Gautama Buddha. He lived in India about 2500 years ago. इस जगह को अब नेपाल कहते हैं. इनका असल नाम सधारत था. वो एक शहजादा था, लेकिन उसने अपना महल छोड़ दिया और जंगल में चला गया और वहाँ अल्लाह की इबादत करता रहा. आखिरकार उसकी इबादत कबूल हो गई और वो बुद्धा बन गया. Holy literature are not only a great source of informative knowledge, but they are useful source of creativity too. These texts include a lot of actual historical accounts. The holy book of Muslims is called Holy Quran. Other religions have their own holy books. Torah yani Taurat, Bible yani Injil, Avesta, Granth Sahib, त्रिपिटका। जिस तरह हिंदू एक से ज़्यादा खुदाओं पर यकीन रखते हैं, इसी तरह उनकी बुक्स भी एक से ज़्यादा हैं, जिनमें वेदास और गीता फेमस है। The idea that a place is sacred often comes from something that has happened at the place. A holy person or saint lived there, or died there, or their body is kept there. मॉस्क यानी मस्जिद, चर्च जिसको गिरजाघर भी कहा जाता है, मंदिर, हिंदुओं के टेंपल को मंदिर कहा जाता है, बुद्धिस्ट टेंपल, फायर टेंपल, सिनागॉग, यहूदियों की इबादतगाह को सिनागॉग कहा जाता है। गुरुद्वारा, Gurdwara is a Sikh temple. On the screen there is a picture of Golden Temple. Golden Temple इंडिया में है और सिखों की बहुत सी होली प्लेसेस पाकिस्तान में भी हैं। This chart will help you in learning different religions. Activity. According to Islam, 1,24,000 prophets were sent by Allah. Do you know their names? Make a list of at least 10 prophets. अल्लाह ताला ने 1,24,000 अम्बिया भेजे हैं। इनमें से बहुत से अम्बिया के नाम कुरान पाक में भी आए हैं। आपने इनमें से 10 के नाम लिखने हैं। Question answers. Question number 1. What is the Holy Book of Muslims called? Answer. The Holy Book of Muslims is called the Holy Quran. Question number 2. Who are Parsis? Answer. Parsis are people who lived in Persia, present-day Iran, and who practice Zoroastrianism. Question number 3. When did Buddha live? Answer. Buddha lived about 2500 years ago. Question number 4. What is the Bible? Answer. The Bible is the holy book of Christians. Work page 87. Exercise A. Match the places of worship with the religion. Sikhism, Islam, Buddhism, Christianity, Zoroastrianism, Hinduism. Exercise B. Complete the fact file about the different religions. Religion Islam, Holy Book Quran Sharif, followers Muslims. Religion Christianity, Holy Book Bible, followers Christians. Religion Judaism, Holy Book Torah, followers Jews. Exercise C. Match these prophets and religious teachers with the religion they started. Muhammad, peace be upon him, Islam. Isa, Christianity. Musa, Judaism. Buddha, Buddhism. Guru Nanak, Sikhism. Zoroaster, Zoroastrianism. I hope this lesson is clear to you and you have understood and enjoyed this. If you have any question, do ask in comments below. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.